Hey guys, welcome back to another Leetcode video. Today we're going to be looking at Leetcode 189, rotate array. We're told that we're given an integer array nums and we need to rotate the array to the right by k steps where k is non-negative. So here's an example where k is equal to 3. We shift all the numbers 3 times to the right, and so here's a visualization of how it would look. And at the end, all the numbers are shifted to the right. There's a catch. We have to return everything. We can't return anything, sorry. We have to modify nums in place. And of course, we've got another example here and some constraints. So an intuitive solution we can use is by creating a second list, shifting all the elements by k, and then modifying our nums list to our new result list. So let's code this up in Python. Let's create our result list just as an empty list, and we'll say let's iterate through our nums list. So we say for range length of nums. So our new position, let's calculate our new position. So our new position is going to be equal to I plus k modulo length of nums. And the reason we use the modulo operator is because the reason we say I plus k mod the length of nums is because imagine we get to the end of our list and we try to shift an element by 3. Well, we'll be going out of bounds, so we want to loop back around to the beginning, and to do that we need to use the modulo operator. So now we've got our new position. Let's set our new position equal to nums of I, and now we will have our new result list. But in Python we can't just say nums equals result and call it a day, because lists in Python are passed by reference. So instead we actually need to loop again and change each element manually. So let's say for j in range of length nums j will be equal to res j. So each element in our nums list will be equal to the equivalent in the result list at that index. And that should be our code. Let's run the code. List assignment index out of range. Oh, okay, I see what's going on. So we're trying to access indexes which don't exist, so we need to first set our result list to a size of our nums list. This should solve the issue. Okay, and we pass both test cases. Let's submit our solution, make sure we get everything right, and we pass all 38 test cases with quite an efficient solution. So in terms of time complexity, well, the time complexity will be linear, so O of n time complexity. Space complexity will be O of n. It won't be constant time because we are creating a new list. So do bear that in mind. There are other ways to do this, to solve this solution, which are more optimal. This is the most intuitive solution. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.